There is a place in the world where survival is nearly impossible. A frozen land covered by massive sheets of ice stretching endlessly into the horizon. Beneath that ice lie secrets so mysterious that few can even imagine them. Hidden below every layer is an amazing and unexplored world that has remained out of human sight for centuries. Some people even claim this is the true home of aliens, a place where UFOs secretly land. Now you might be wondering, what place are we talking about? We are talking about Antarctica, a continent hiding not only ancient lakes and buried mountain ranges beneath its ice, but also mysteries of life that still remain unsolved even for scientists. What exactly exists under this ice? Could these frozen depths contain creatures that lived millions of years ago? Or perhaps hidden energy sources and resources powerful enough to change the future of humanity? Resources supposedly protected by aliens and supernatural forces. Today, we'll uncover the full story. But for that, you'll need to watch until the end. So let's begin. Ever since humans began thinking critically and logically, they have constantly searched for new discoveries. One such discovery was Antarctica, a land hidden from the world for centuries. Interestingly, long before modern science officially discovered Antarctica, ancient Indians were believed to have knowledge about it and even understood its importance. This is why, according to some theories, the famous Somnath Temple in India contains references connected to Antarctica. The Somnath Temple, located in Prabhaspatan, Gujarat, is one of the 12 sacred Jyotirlingas of Lord Shiva. No one knows exactly when it was originally built, but references to it appear in ancient texts such as the Mahabharata and Bhagavata Purana, proving its incredible age. Inside the temple complex stands a structure called the Barn Stumb. On top of it is an arrow pointing directly toward the sea. Some researchers claim that if one travels continuously in the exact direction of this arrow across the ocean, the journey would end at the South Pole, Antarctica, without encountering any landmass in between. An inscription on the pillar roughly translates to, "From this point to the South Pole, there is no obstacle or landmass in a straight line." What surprises many people is that this idea supposedly existed thousands of years before satellites or aircraft were invented. Even more mysterious is the final phrase written on the pillar, Jyotir Marg, whose exact meaning remains debated even today. But let's return to Antarctica itself. Antarctica is the only continent on Earth that still remains largely unexplored. While nations fight over land all around the world, this massive continent remains mostly empty and untouched. No country fully owns it, and no civilization permanently rules it. Although Antarctica has always fascinated people, it became especially famous again in 2016. That year, while exploring Google Earth, someone discovered a strange cave-like structure in Antarctica's mountains. From a distance, it looked like the entrance to a secret underground base. But this raised an important question. If nobody lives there and the region is mostly unexplored, who built this mysterious base? Some conspiracy theorists claimed it wasn't built by humans at all, but by aliens. According to them, the structure looked specifically designed for UFOs to enter and exit. The structure is located in northern Antarctica. On satellite imagery, a dark circular object can be seen embedded between snowy mountains. Then, on October 10, 2020, the mystery exploded again after a video claimed the object was actually a crashed alien disk, nearly 60 feet in diameter. Some believe the disk was half buried beneath the ice, while the rest remained visible. Could it really be an alien UFO that crashed in Antarctica? Or is there another explanation? This is not the only Antarctic mystery connected to UFOs. In 2018, strange markings were discovered on South Georgia Island near Antarctica. On Google Earth, viewers noticed long straight lines across the snow resembling airport runways. At the end of these tracks appeared an unusual structure, leading some to speculate that an unidentified craft may have taken off from there. Some researchers compared these markings to the mysterious interstellar object known as Oumuamua. Discovered in 2017, Oumuamua shocked scientists because of its unusual shape and behavior. Initially believed to be an asteroid, it was later officially classified as an interstellar object, meaning it originated from outside our solar system. Its strange elongated shape and unexpected speed caused many UFO believers to suggest that Oumuamua might actually have been an alien spacecraft. Because of similarities in shape, some conspiracy theorists linked Oumuamua to the strange Antarctic structures, suggesting the object may have originated from Antarctica itself. Of course, there is no scientific evidence supporting this theory, but the mystery continues to fuel speculation. The connection between Antarctica and aliens has existed for decades. During World War II, the United States launched one of the largest Antarctic expeditions in history. The mission included 13 ships, 23 aircraft, and over 4,700 military personnel, led by Admiral Richard Byrd, one of the most famous explorers and aviators of his time. This operation was called Operation High Jump. Officially, the mission aimed to explore Antarctica, study its resources, and establish research facilities. But conspiracy theories claim there was another hidden purpose: searching for secret Nazi bases. According to rumors, Adolf Hitler may not have died in 1945. Some believe the person who died was merely his body double, while the real Hitler escaped to Antarctica. These theories became popular after books such as Antarctica Exploration, Hitler's Escape to South America, and Secret Bases in Antarctica claimed that Nazis had built hidden underground bases in Antarctica between the 1930s and 1940s. Conspiracy theorists believe Operation High Jump was secretly launched to locate and destroy these hidden Nazi bases. But things became even stranger after Admiral Byrd's death. According to legends, Byrd left behind a secret diary describing an unbelievable experience during the expedition. In the diary, he supposedly claimed to have discovered a massive opening near the South Pole, leading deep inside Earth. He wrote that after flying through this opening, he witnessed a hidden world filled with greenery, forests, and even a giant crystal city beneath Antarctica. According to the story, Byrd encountered mysterious beings who warned humanity about the dangers of nuclear weapons shortly after the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. No solid evidence has ever confirmed these claims, but they remain among the most famous Antarctic conspiracy theories ever told. Even today, mysterious structures continue to appear in satellite images of Antarctica. One famous location at coordinates 66 degrees 17 minutes 10.5 seconds south, 100 degrees 29 minutes 7.8 seconds east, reveals a formation that looks strangely artificial, almost like ancient walls or fortress ruins. Some compare the structure to medieval European Motte and Bailey castles. The formation stretches nearly 120 meters across and appears surprisingly geometric. Scientists, however, believe it is likely a natural geological formation shaped by ice and erosion over millions of years. Another major mystery involves ancient maps. In 1737, French geographer Philip Boissche published a map showing Antarctica without ice, centuries before modern technology fully mapped the continent. This shocked many researchers because Antarctica was officially undiscovered at the time. How could someone have drawn the continent so accurately? And why was it shown ice-free? Adding to the mystery, scientific studies suggest Antarctica was once very different from today. Millions of years ago, it may have been a warm tropical paradise filled with rainforests and rivers. In fact, researchers discovered ancient charcoal in Antarctica dating back roughly 75 million years, proving that forests once existed there, and that wildfires even occurred. Some scientists believe dinosaur fossils may still remain buried beneath Antarctica's ice sheets today. As Antarctica's ice slowly melts due to climate change, researchers may uncover discoveries capable of rewriting Earth's history itself. Whether the mysteries involve aliens, ancient civilizations, secret bases, or forgotten ecosystems, one thing is certain: Antarctica remains one of the most mysterious places on Earth. Beneath its frozen surface lies a hidden world that humanity still barely understands. What do you think about Antarctica and its mysteries? Be sure to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.